In this video, I'm going to walk through how to get set up easily in Visual Studio to run Lab 0. This gives us the base for our upcoming OpenGL applications. So what I've done here is I've just created an empty Visual Studio project, and then I've added the lab project files all over here into the originally empty project. One thing I noticed while building the Lab 0 for Windows is that my particular settings on Visual Studio were a bit strict with having warnings marked as errors. So in particular, this wanted a more secure function for fopen. Feel free to either change that to be more secure like it suggests, or also feel free to just copy this pragma warning disable to disable that particular warning as an error. Okay, so next up, how do we get GLUT and GLEW and all the OpenGL goodies that we need to have linked to our application into Visual Studio? The easiest way I would suggest is to use NuGet. So if you select your project, right click, go to Manage NuGet Packages. This will bring up different frameworks that you can easily link into your projects. So if you search for just about any of the includes that we need, let's see. So this is the one I'm looking for. So this is a particular OpenGL package that includes all of the different frameworks that we want. So if you look down here, it includes FreeGLUT, GLFW, and GLEW. This allows us to just add one package and not worry about having to manage 3 different packages. So all I'm going to do is click Install. Click OK. Then I'll go to installed here, and you can just verify that this is what's installed to your project. So one last thing you want to do to make sure it links up is to go to your project, properties, and then under linker, inputs, under additional dependencies, you're just going to want to make sure that you add OpenGL 32.lib here to link that library. Click apply and then OK. Now we should be okay to build this and see what we get. Okay, and there we have it.